Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Algebraic methods are all about simplifying and solving expressions. In this video, we are tackle exercise 7b, question number 2, where we apply key algebraic techniques to find the solution step by step. Let's start by reading the question carefully. Now the question number 2 is same as question number 1 we have done in previous video. Write each polynomial in the form of x plus minus p into ax square plus bx plus c. We have converted this polynomial into quadratic equation and its factor by dividing. So we will do this. Now the A part is 6x cube plus 27x square plus 14x plus 8 by x plus 4. Now we will solve this polynomial by dividing by x plus 4. So 6x cube plus 27x square plus 14x plus 8. We have x plus 4. Now we have to make 6x cube from x. So we multiply x by 6x square. 6x square multiplied by x gives 6x cube, and 6x square multiplied 4 is give 24x square. Now circle the old signs and replace with the new signs. So 27x square minus 24x square will become 3x square plus 14x plus 8. Now we have to make x as 3x square, so we will multiply this by 3x. 3x multiply x is 3x square plus 12x. Circle the old signs and we get new signs. So 3x square cancel by 3x square, 14x minus 12x is 2x plus 8. Now to make x 2x we will just multiply by 2. So this will become 2x plus 8. Now we will circle the old signs to get new signs. So this will become 0, and now we have the factors are x plus 4 and 6x square plus 3x plus 2. So this is the final answer of this question. We will do part B. Now we have part B, that is 4x cube plus 9x square minus 3x minus 10, and divide this by x plus 2. We will solve this in a very easy and simple way. So we have 4x cube plus 9x square minus 3x minus 10 and have x plus 2. We will multiply x by 4x square to make this 4x cube. So 4x cube plus 8x square. Circle the old sign and we will get the new signs. 4x cube minus 4x cube will be cancelled. 9x square minus 8x square is x square minus 3x. Now we will do this to make this x square, multiply this by x. So x multiply x is x square and x multiply 2 is plus 2x. Now circle the old signs and we will get x square minus 3x minus 2x give minus 5x and minus 10. Now multiply x by minus 5 to make it minus 5x square. Minus 5 multiply 2 is minus 10. Now circle the old sign and we will get the new signs. So minus 5x and plus 5x are cancelled out, and minus 10 and plus 10 are cancelled out. So the factors of these questions are x plus 2 and 4x square plus x minus 5. This is the final answer. Now we have C part, that is 2x cube plus 4x square minus 9x minus 9, and divide this by x plus 3. Now we will start this question. Write 2x cube plus 4x square minus 9x minus 9. And here we have x plus 3. To make x 2x cube, we will multiply this by 2x square. 2x square multiply x is 2x cube. And then we have 2x square multiply 3 is plus 6x square. Now circle the old signs and change all the signs. 2x cube minus 2x cube are cancelled out, and 4x square minus 6x square is minus 2x square, then minus 9x and minus 9. To make x minus 2x square, we will multiply this by minus 2x. It will give us minus 2x square minus plus minus and 6x. Circle the old sign and we will get new signs. So this term is cancelled, and minus 9x plus 6x is minus 3x minus 9. So to make x minus 3x, we will multiply this by minus 3 and have minus 3x minus 9. Circle the old sign and we will get the new signs that are cancelled out, and the factors of these questions are x plus 3 and 2x square minus 2x minus 3. This is the final answer of this question. Now we will solve the D part. 2x cube minus 15x square plus 14x plus 24. Divide this by x minus 6. We will write this 2x cube minus 15x square plus 14x plus 24. Divide this by x minus 6. To make x 2x cube, we will multiply this by 2x square. 2x square multiply x is 2x cube minus 12x square. Now we will circle the old sign and get the new signs. 2x cube minus 2x cube will be cancelled out. Minus 15x square plus 12x square is minus 3x square plus 14x plus 24. To make x minus 3x square, we will multiply this by minus 3x. This will become minus 3x square minus 18x. Now circle the old signs. And minus 3x square plus 3x square are cancelled out. 14x minus 18x will give minus 4x plus 24. Now we will multiply this by minus 4. It will become minus 4x plus 24. So change the sign and we will get minus 4x plus 4x cancel out, plus 24 and minus 24 are also cancelled out. And now the factors of this question are x minus 6 and 2x square minus 3x minus 4. This is the final answer. Now in the E part we have minus 5x cube minus 27x square plus 23x plus 30. Divide this by x plus 6. So we will solve this question. Minus 5x cube minus 27x square plus 23x plus 30, and divide this by x plus 6. To make x minus 5x cube, we will multiply x by minus 5x square. This will give minus 5x cube minus 30x square. Now circle the old sign, we will get the new signs. So minus 5x cube plus 5x cube are cancelled out. Minus 27x square plus 30x square will be 3x square plus 23x plus 30. So to make x 3x, we will multiply this by 3x. So this will become 3x square plus 18x. Now circle the old sign and we will get the new sign. 3x square minus 3x square are cancel out. 23x minus 18x will give us 5. 5x plus 30. Now we will multiply x by 5 to make it 5x. So 5 multiply x is 5x and 5 multiply 6 is 30. Now circle the old sign and we will get 0 as remainder. So the factors are x plus 6 and minus 5 x square plus 3x plus 5. So this is the final answer. Now we will solve part F of this question, that is the last part, in very easy and simple way. So we have minus 4x cube plus 9x square minus 3x plus 2 and divide this by x minus 2. So write this as minus 4x cube plus 9x square minus 3x plus 2. Divide this by x minus 2. To make x minus 4x cube, we will multiply this by minus 4x square. So it will become minus 4x cube plus 8x square. Now circle the old sign and give us new sign. Minus 4x cube plus 4x cube are cancelled. 9x square minus 8x square is x square minus 3x plus 2. So to make x as x square, we will multiply this by x. It will become x square minus 2x. Now we will circle the old sign. X square minus x square is cancelled. And now minus 3x plus 2x is equal to minus x plus 2. To make x minus x, we will multiply this minus 1. So minus x plus 2. Now circle the old sign and we will get new sign. Minus x is cancelled by the plus x and we have 0. Factors are x minus 2 and minus 4x square plus x minus 1. This is the final answer. If you found this helpful, make sure to practice similar questions in exercise 7b to enhance your maths understanding. Stay tuned for the next question and don't forget to like and subscribe Math Solver 1117 for more mathematical videos. Allah Hafiz.